Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. Today we have a new budget earphones to unbox and review. They are the one more piston fit earphones. They are wired earphones and cost under 900 rupees. The earphones come in this compact box packing. It says piston fit here and you can see a picture of the earphones. Let's see what else is written on the box. Okay, you've got the specs of the earphones on the other side. The model is E1009. They are in-ear type, weigh about 14 grams. Have a cable length of 1.25 meters. The frequency response range is from 20 to 20,000 Hz. The impedance is 32 ohms and the rated power is 5 milliwatts. So these were its specs. You've got the price over here. It says 999 but it's available for about 850 rupees online. They come in different colors. I've got the space grey ones. Okay, let's get started with the unboxing. I want to thank one more for sending me this product for review purpose. Alright guys, let's open the box and check it out. Oh, looks like we've got some packets inside. So these were the stuff we've got in the box. There's nothing else. Let's check them out. This is a user manual. Make sure to read it as it has complete info on the product. The earphones come packed in this cover. Let me take them out. So here are the one more piston fit earphones. I've got the space grey color. Looks quite nice. We'll just keep them aside for now and see what's in the other packet. Oh, we've got some extra ear tips in this packet. They come in small and large sizes, assuming the medium ones are already on the earphones. Now it's finally time to check out the piston fit earphones. They come nicely wrapped. Feel very lightweight in the hand. They weigh only about 13 grams. So this is how the earphones look like. It has a cable length of 1.25 meters. Okay, let's have a closer look at them and talk about the design and the build quality. The one more piston fit have an ergonomic design. They have a 45-degree oblique angle design to fit perfectly in your ears. The piston-shaped cavity is completely made of aluminum alloy. You've got the one more branding at the back and has a CD-like texture on it. They're also fingerprint resistant and are very lightweight. The ear tips are made of silicone and look of good quality. This is the inline remote control. It only has media play pause button on it and a MEMS microphone on the other side. The inline remote control runs down to this connecting point. You've got the one more branding on it. And this is its 3.5mm gold-plated jack. Now let's talk about the comfort and the audio quality. The piston fit earphones have a 45-degree oblique angle design. They fit perfectly in the ears and feel comfortable for long time usage. The noise isolation is good on them. And talking about the audio quality is really good for the price. The mids are crisp and clear, the high frequency response is also nice, you can hear all the details clearly, and coming to the bass was good but it wasn't that punchy. I'd say it had the right amount of bass. And I felt the overall audio quality was balanced on these earphones. Talking about the TRHD, the distortion was very less even at max volume, and the audio output was also good. You'll definitely be satisfied for the price. Even the quality of the mic was good during call conversations. So that was my review on the one more piston fit earphones. They're good earphones, the build quality looks premium, they're comfortable for long time usage, and the audio quality is also good. The only thing that was missing is volume control buttons. The company should have provided them. They're priced for about 850 rupees. I'll just leave a link to them in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you all liked it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.